It is not a fairy tale that the 60th birthday of His Excellency, Right Honorable, and may I add, now Barrister Rotimi Amaechi, is eliciting so much passion. Why would the topic be poverty? Because he's a man who fights for the poor. Your Excellencies, the last time I was in a room with so many politicians with intimidating profiles, I was talking about Rotimi Amaechi. That was about 6 years ago. And let me recap what I said then. I said he's a trusted gentleman, he's tenacious, he's hardworking, he is stubborn, and he delivers.
Thank you very, very much.
And I'm here today to reaffirm that nothing has changed.